To install your Daisy roller system, you'll require a power drill, Phillips screwdriver and a soft-faced hammer or mallet. To begin, it's a good idea to fit the 4 anti-skid plugs into the 2 stand bases and lay out the base components and the tube set. 2 lengths of tube will be the same diameter, and one either smaller or larger depending on the model. The 2 same diameter tubes go on the outside and fit into the smaller or larger one in the center. Measure the widest point of the main body of the pool and adjust the tubes evenly so the overall length is 300 millimeters wider than the pool. That is 150 millimeters on each side. Measure to check overall length and an even central overlap. At the middle, mark 100 millimeters in from the end of the outside tubes. Drill with a 4 millimeter bit supplied and screw each join with 3 self-tapping screws spaced evenly around the tube. This is the end slug. Note the 3 indicators that correspond with the thickened sections we will drill later. Now align the hand wheel with the end slug and click into position. Fit the stand leg, insert the end plug and gently tap home. The hand wheel and leg assembly is then fitted to the base. Next, place the tube onto the end slug. Mark 50 millimeters in line with each of the 3 indicators we saw earlier. Drill with a 4 millimeter bit and screw to secure. Repeat this process with the second roller stand. Align the roller with the end of the pool so it's central and extends evenly on both sides. Measure and mark the center of the tube section and, changing to the 6 millimeter bit supplied, drill a hole. Measure and mark 600 millimeter increments either side of the center hole, stopping when the end of the tube is less than 600 millimeters from the previous hole. Take care the marks are in a straight line along the tube. Drill 6 millimeter holes where you've marked. Fit the feather plugs with the cutouts facing towards the pool. Unwrap the cord supplied and fit onto the feather plugs towards the pool. A simple knot is a good idea for security. Please note that, especially for Roman or curved pools, you may not need all the cords supplied. In these cases, 3 or 4 cords may be sufficient for effective operation. When all cords are fastened, pull the blanket about 400 millimeters back off the pool without moving the roller. Measure 100 millimeters in from the blanket end directly beneath each feather plug and cord. Use the supplied wad punch to make a hole. Place the male eyelet section underneath and through the blanket. Place the female section on top and gently tap together. Repeat beneath all cords. Now reposition the blanket on the pool and turn the roller to roll up the cords. Place the center cord through the eyelet and secure with a non-slip knot. Continue working from the center, first to one side and then the other, and keeping the blanket coming evenly off the water. Now lay out and cut the overcover material to the same width as the roller tube. Fold over the 4 corners. Punch and fit the eyelets as you did with the blanket. Install the straps at both ends, squeezing slightly to fix. Also punch and fit an eyelet on each side in the center of the overcover. Loop through and secure a cord to one center eyelet. The Daisy Pool blanket and roller system is now ready. Roll the blanket up, checking for smooth operation. Fitting the overcover is simply a matter of placing both end straps over the hand wheels and securing the center tie. Finally, having removed the cover, roll out the blanket again. It is important when doing this to fold a corner in diagonally and pull the blanket onto the pool by holding up the opposite side. This simple method creates a bow and makes sure no water gets onto the blanket as it goes on smoothly and easily. Remember, you can always call Daisy if you have any problem or concern during an installation. We're here to help.